Now, I am very glad to reveal the second mantra, I can. If you have a dream and if you believe that you can, you can. Whatever the mind of man can conceive and believe, it can achieve. It can certainly achieve. I can is a belief in yourself. It's a faith in yourself. I can is an optimism. It's all your life. It's a great faith that there is a spirit in you. God, the Almighty, has given you talents and you can do anything. So, if you have a dream, believe that you can achieve it. Belief is the key to success. If you think you can, you can. If you think you can't, you can't. In order to do anything, we must first believe it can be done. Believing something can be done sets the mind in motion to find a way to do it. When you believe negatively that something is impossible, your mind goes to work for you to prove why that is impossible. But when you really believe in your heart that something can be done, your mind goes to work for you and helps you to find the ways to do it. Belief in yourself releases creative powers. Disbelief puts the brakes on. Dr. Van Braun says, man belongs where he wants to go. So eliminate the word impossible from your thinking and speaking vocabularies. Impossible is a failure word. How much we can do depends on how much we think we can do. Capacity is indeed a state of mind. Anton Chekhov says, a man is what he believes. Beliefs are like commanders of the brain. One person with a belief is equal to a force of 99 who have only interest. Belief delivers a direct command to our nervous system. When you believe something is true or I can, you literally go into the state of its being true. If you handle effectively, beliefs can be the most powerful forces for creating good in your life. On the other hand, negative beliefs or thoughts can be destructive. Beliefs help you to see what you want and energize you to get it. In fact, there is no more powerful directing force in human behavior than belief. In essence, human history is the history of human belief. It is I can or our belief in ourselves that determines how much of our potential we will be able to tap. Beliefs can turn on or shut off the flow of ideas. Dear friends, first you think it is possible, then you must believe it is possible. Finally, you must act. Since the time of the ancient Greeks, it was believed that it was humanly impossible to run the mile in less than 4 minutes. It couldn't be done. Then in 1954, a young man named Roger Bannister ignored the common belief and believed that it was possible. He prepared himself and eventually he ran the mile in 3 minutes 59 seconds. He broke the time barrier as well as the mental barrier. Before he broke the physical barrier, Roger had to break through the limits in his mind. After Roger Bannister broke the 4 minutes mile, 32 other runners did it within a month, and within a year, the impossible feat was possible for over 300 more runners. If you think you can, you can. Reprogram your mind and go after your dream and develop a new you. How do you make yourself a better, more productive, more effective person? The key is self-development. Just as a bodybuilder goes to the gym to develop his body and to gain strength and power, the same is necessary for the development of your mind and of your inner strength. So, build your self-confidence and courage. The most powerful words in English language are faith and fear. Faith is success. Fear is failure. The most important faith of all is faith in God and absolute faith in yourself. All the truly great men of the world have been highly religious. Swami Vivekananda said, faith in God and self-confidence are the secrets of success. Conquer your fears, kill your fears, otherwise fear will kill you, your creativity and imagination. When we conquer fears, the whole world opens up in front of us. In order to get rid of your fear, you must act as if you can't fail and you won't fail. Act as if success is the only possible outcome. Associate with confident people. Do not compare your weakness with others' strong points. Compete against your own records. Marie Curie says, nothing in life is to be feared. It is only to be understood. The key to conquering fear lies in mastering belief. If you don't believe in yourself, in what you are doing, you simply cannot be successful. Your faith creates your reality and your feelings. All fears, including those most destructive fears of poverty and the fear of failure, are nothing more than states of mind. We need real courage to change our thoughts. The true warrior is one who has the courage to do battle with the enemies within oneself. You are born to win. Believe. You are true warrior. Open your prison door of fear and come out of it. We share the same neurology. So if anyone can do anything, you can too. If it is possible for others in the world, it is possible for you. Tap your brain power through believing and win. Dear friends, take the second mantra, I can, and chant always, I can, I can, I can, and believe that you can. Faith has a very strange power of curing even incurable diseases. Success is determined not so much by the size of your brain as it is by the size of your thinking, I can.